Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, let's talk about the problem. If your Dyson HS01 is making a terrible noise, it could be due to a malfunctioning motor or a blockage within the device. This noise often indicates that something is wrong, and if left unchecked, it can lead to further damage that may require more extensive repairs. It's crucial to address this issue promptly to keep your device running efficiently. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement motor compatible with the Dyson HS01. You may also want a soft cloth to keep your workspace tidy. To begin, ensure your device is unplugged for safety. Start by carefully removing the casing of the Dyson HS01. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the base and along the sides of the device. Gently pry the casing apart, being cautious not to force it as this could damage the plastic clips. Once the casing is off, locate the motor. It's typically situated at the rear of the unit. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you find that the motor is indeed the issue, you will need to disconnect it. To do this, unscrew any screws holding the motor in place, using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to take note of where each screw goes, as this will help during reassembly. Carefully disconnect any wires attached to the motor, making sure to pull them out gently to avoid damaging the connectors. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, remove the faulty motor and replace it with the new one. Secure it in place by reversing the steps you took to remove it. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they are firmly attached but not overly tight. Once everything is in place, it's time to reassemble the casing. Align it carefully and press it back together, making sure all clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws, securing the casing tightly but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. To ensure everything works properly, plug in your Dyson HS01 and test it out. You should no longer hear that terrible noise. To prevent this issue from occurring again in the future, regularly clean your Dyson HS01, checking for any blockages and ensuring the motor is free of debris. Keeping your device maintained will prolong its life and efficiency. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.